Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you cucumber curd chutney. It's a very simple recipe. You can use this chutney for any dosa, idli like tiffins, or you can mix it with rice. It's too easy, too good, and it's healthier too. That is cucumber in summer and any season. And the plus point of it is you can keep it, you can store it for more than 15 days in refrigerator. So let me tell you what all are the ingredients for it. Here I have taken half of the cucumber. You have to cut it in pieces, chop it in pieces, and then you have to take a spoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and 3 green chilies according to your taste. If you eat less spicy, you can take 2 and skip 1 green chili. This can also be made with red chili, but green chili, the taste is a bit good, and green chili is much healthier. And as it's a curd chutney, here I have taken half of cup of curd. It's whole fat curd. You can take low fat also. In whole fat curd, I have mixed half glass of water, and if you take low fat, there's no need of mixing water. Here a pinch of salt I have added. These are all the ingredients. Now let's go to the procedure. Here I am cutting this cucumber. Actually most of the cucumbers when we take, we don't know, but they have a bitter taste after cooking. So here is a simple trick, like this part, the shallow part I have taken. You have to rub it on both sides, and this should be done before taking the whole peel, like this. Here also. Just for 5 minutes you can do that, and then you have to peel the cucumber. I'm actually used to all this, so I'm doing it quickly, but you guys please make sure that kids are not there near this. Now you have to cut it in small pieces. Actually the size of the pieces depends on your choice, but I prefer cooking it with small pieces so that they may come in chunks. And this cucumber we will not cook at all, so it's very easy bachelor recipe, you can say, and it's so quick, like in just 5 minutes you can easily do that. This all I'm taking into a bowl. Now after that I'll keep this cucumber like this. Here I'm taking a blender jar. In this blender jar I'm putting the green chilies, the mustard seeds and the sesame seeds equally. Like mustard seeds and sesame seeds, the ratio should be 1:2. Like if you take half spoon of mustard seeds, the sesame seeds should be 1 spoon according to the taste. And first I'll be grinding it without water. Next I'll be adding some water so that it should become a thin paste like this. Now again, after adding water, this becomes a very coarse paste like this. This paste you have to add in the curd. In this curd I have added a pinch of salt. Salt you can add according to your taste, and this mixture. Now this mixture you can add in this cucumber, the cucumber pieces which we have cut. That's it. Your cucumber curd chutney is done. It's so healthy, also it's so quickly made, just in 5 minutes as you can see, and it tastes so good really, and it's so healthy. Kids can easily eat, like raw cucumbers sometimes you can't give kids, and in sandwich if you put just 1 piece or 2 pieces of cucumber, but here I have used half of the cucumber, and it's so healthy. You can store it as well, and bachelors can also make it so easily. So that's it. If you like this recipe, just taste it and put a like button.